What up, what up, what up? This Shin from Likeminds Productions. And I just want to take y'all on a little tour of my little setup, you heard me? It ain't much, but that bitch get the job done. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the computer. Got this off of eBay actually. Caught it for a good little deal. This was before the M1s came out. But it's a 2015 iMac quad-core processor, i7, 16 gigabyte RAM. Gets the job done. Sooner or later, I'm gonna upgrade to the M1 or the M2. Probably the M2 though. But let's keep moving. Okay, now on to my monitors. I have two sets. On my first set, I'm gonna start with the JBL 305P MK2. I think that's how you say it. If not, fuck it. But they some good monitors. Like, just starting off, you don't have that much money, and you want to get something decent. I say either these or the KRKs or the I'm gonna get to the Yamahas, but these are some good starter speakers, and they're very flat, and they also have a good tone. So if your room not treated like how mine's is, like my room not treated, I got a little bullshit on the wall, but it's not properly treated. But they still reflect good to a point you can get a good tight mix. You know what I'm saying? So they some good starter speakers. Now these right here, these my babies. I wanted these for the longest, and I finally got my hands on them. These the HS8s by Yamaha. Like, I don't know. If you know, you know. They perfectly flat. You know what I'm saying? It's like, man, I can get a good mix 100% of the time with these speakers. Like no bullshit. And the 8s just make it better because you're getting the full spectrum. Like you're getting the full spectrum of everything. That's the best way I could say it. So I don't know, like I'm sold on these. I don't think I might ever get another pair of monitors until I have enough money to get the Genelecs. So yeah, that's where I'm at with them. The subwoofer I'm using is a PreSonus. I forgot the actual name, but I'll put it in the link down below. But it do the job. I wanted the Yamaha one, but I didn't have the money to get it, so sooner or later I'm gonna end up getting it. But it does the job. Like I don't have no complaints about it. My low end is good, and it's taking away, the work from the actual speakers, and they could produce that mid-range, and the subwoofer could just have its own lane. So yeah, I say any producer, engineer, invest into a subwoofer, even if it's the cheapest one, like I got the PreSonus. So yeah. And now let's go to the heart of everything, the audio interface. I know a lot of people, they kinda don't like Apollo or UAD shit, but I'm gonna be honest with you, man, it's the best interface that I ever had. Like the interface, the quality of the converters, and the actual plugins that you can use, even though some of them are native now, but still, it's just, I'm sold. Like, I don't think I'm ever gonna get any other type of interface. Like, I'm sticking to UAD, sticking to the Apollo. If they come out with a new one, I'm probably gonna get the new one. And that's probably the most hefty thing in the studio next to the computer, but you want to spend a nice amount of money. But if you don't have enough money to get an Apollo, go get a Focusrite. But yeah, it got good interfaces. But the Apollo Twin X, and I think it's the Mark II version, if I'm saying it wrong, correct me again. But yeah, hands down, best interface in my opinion for what I need it for. So, and I'm also an audio engineer, so producers, you probably won't really need that. Like shit, you could really, there's a cheat code. You can just plug in the speaker straight into the computer and end up producing and get a good quality, but an audio interface is needed though, but if you don't have one, don't let that stop you at all. And the mic that I'm talking through right now, and the one that's on the screen, is the AKG 214. It's not the mic that I wanted. I wanted the Newman TLM 103, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't had the money. So I got something else that was at least midway to that bitch. But decent mic, good mic. If you wanted to see the quality of it, I'll post a song that I recorded and mixed with this exact mic so you can see the way the quality sounds, just in case you're interested in getting this mic. But it's a good mic. It's a good bang for the buck. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I'll get the 414 one day, but that TLM 103 coming. Like, I'm getting that bitch, hands down. You know what I'm saying? Or the U87. You know what I'm saying? Fuck that. And last but not least, Complete 13. I caught it on sale every time the new one come out. 14 just came out. The old one go on sale. So I caught collector's edition for like half price or even more than that. I done forgot. But when I say, man, that's all I need, like I don't need nothing else. I use other plugins and shit, don't get me wrong, and drum kits too, but lately, man, it's like, shit, it just make me want to make theatrical shit. Like, a lot of the beats I've been posting lately, them older beats, but the newer beats is gonna have more strings and more horns and like just more like that damn near like you watching a movie. But yeah, if you need some instruments, Complete 13 or 14, I say, man, that's where you need to go. Like, I'm talking about, you won't be, I don't know, like, you won't be disappointed at all. Well, that was the little tour of my studio. Hopefully, you took away what I wanted you to take away, is that you don't need much to create a professional quality sound. Really, all you need is your ears. You know what I'm saying? You don't need the shit that I got. You can go get more, like, least expensive shit than this and still make better music, better quality than what the fuck I'm pumping out. You know what I'm saying? But I had to build up to get here. It took time. It wasn't me just going by this at one time. It was just me putting it together over years and years and years. Like, you know, and I'm finally at a point to where I'm satisfied with the equipment I have. And even though I'm still gonna grow, but I'm not really worried about buying nothing else right now until the music start making more money, and I invest with that to get more equipment. But I'm gonna use this to try to platform to get farther with this. So long story short, I hope you got something from this, and I hope I enlightened you on, you know, some of the shit I use, and that you really just don't need much to get a quality sound. You know what I'm saying? But like, subscribe, fuck with me. Likeminds Production. Shin, I'm out.